My garage workshop doesn't have a lot of space for equipment that I'm not going to use all that often. One of those pieces is an Outfeed stand, but it's still nice to be able to support long boards when I'm working here at the table saw or some of my other tools. So I came up with a simple portable solution, and that's this unit right here. What it does is clamp onto something like a sawhorse or even a workbench or one of my carts and allows me to support long boards all around my shop. It's pretty easy to make, and I got it by scrounging up some pieces that I had laying around my shop. There's a base here that's made from a 2x4, and that's what allows you to clamp it to any work surface. A plywood backer on the bottom supports the riser that goes up and down. It houses a studded knob and an index pin that keeps the support perfectly level. Now the riser itself is a hardwood board that has a slot cut in it to give me the greatest range of adjustability. The support itself is another piece cut from a 2x4. Now I rounded the top and back edges here so that a workpiece isn't going to catch on it as it slides up to it. What's nice is that with this range of adjustability, I can use it not only at the table saw, but at the drill press, band saw, and even if I'm working with long pieces at my bench. It's something that you might want to build for your shop, no matter how large it is.